Alright. Sealed up tight. Alright. Now, this might look like a box for a normal F900, but if you look on the back, it shows that it's got a piezo. And it's in a different place because it's normally right here, as you probably see. So, let's see. Turn it up like this. I think it's, oh, evil tape. Okay, here we go. Alright, here's your manual. Go through that. And the thing. Oh, that's yellower than I thought it was. Then where it looked. Wait. Okay, something's wrong. Tell them which mechanical horn. But the one, either the one on the listing looked like it had an electronic one. But if you look through here, it looked like an electronic horn. But actually, I'm just tricking you. This is it. So let's look in here. And yep, there it is, piezo horn. You see it. Again, it's here instead of there. And the label's there, and it's usually on the sensor. I think that's where it is on this one. See, it's on the sensor on this unit. Then the much more compact circuitry. Alright, let's see if I can find a battery that works. I wonder if it's going to beep at us and what pitch it's going to be. And I wonder if I can do the pitch adjust trick. Low pitch. Ugh. Battery clamps really, well, this thing's never been used, so damn. There we go. All right, here we go. It's like 2,000 hertz now. Oh, it doesn't even twist. Doesn't even turn. Yeah, it doesn't even turn, so. Pretty cool. That's in really good shape too. So here's some stuff in the back. All right. A simplistic manual. But as you can see, it does cover this model. There we go. Not sure if you heard that. Teeth squeaked. I guess we can show you differences. Wish I could find my other one. I think it's there somewhere. It might have been lost in the move. If I can find it, I'll do an addendum. Going with 7.3428, and this one's 7.7286. Huh. That's 3,061. And that's 9,058. And of course, you know, this one, the circuit board's here. This one is, like I said, compact in some of this cardboard. The center's pretty much the same, except, you know, this one has the labels there. And of course the horn is different, because this one's the electromechanical and this one's the piezo. And as far as I know, they must have did a different, or made a different variation of the space, because there's no way to hook on that horn there. I think that's probably, yep, I can feel the hole in there. You can see it. Other than that, the base is pretty much the same. The bases are pretty much the same, except for this part here. There's a little D-shaped hole there, and then it's this round hole here. So that's the little D-shaped one by the battery. It's probably the one that I had in my first collection. That was actually the highest pitched ones I've seen, I've heard so far. Because of this one, the 0910 that Jesse has, and Ian, and F900D that Ben has, they've all been lower pitched than that one that I had in my first collection. Then my cousin's apartment in Fort Dodge, she had one, and it was like a G7. It was like G flat or F sharp 7. That's 5/6 though, so that's pretty cool. All right, there you go, folks. The sort of a transition model F900D. Right? Yeah, see, it's got the test weekly. One's a little bit different, because in this one that center point comes up higher than the rest of the button, and this one, that little center point or central point, if you will, is flat. This part of the button. And the tabs are pretty much the same, yeah. Oh, and this one's got a little thing there from the molding, and this one doesn't. So they might have changed the molding type. And I think the texture is pretty much the same, so interesting. I'll give you one more test. Well, there you go, folks. Thanks for watching.